Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is icall. Sorry. Oh, sorry about that. This is a test icall. It's supposed to be free, so it should be free. Let's see what happens. Just click place call. Nothing seems to be happening. Alright, so maybe I need to, let's get rid of whatever special characters it may not like. I don't know if that's the problem. Place a call does not work. So everything's in. Click OK. View. Just doesn't seem to be working. Place call. Nothing happens. Alright, let's get rid of the one in front, see if that changes anything. Nada. So that icall is not working.